Welcome back to part 2 of the cbf600 oil change. I've just put the new filter on, new oil filter is on there now. Just put that on. Just putting the nut on there. Drained all the oil off, as you can see on the previous video. Just make sure all the oil is gone. There's much more left in there to go. I don't have to bother waiting actually. Get that white quickly. Wipe. This nut up now. I'll do it up 2 times, you'll reckon. Just enough. And the oil filters, you only just nip them up, or you break the gasket on them. Okay, that's enough for that. Right, now we fill it up with oil. Where's my funnel? Pop the oil funnel here. We'll go for the job. Where are we? Here we are. Proper oil funnel. No shit in there, is there? That's a bit grassified. Just clean that out a minute. All we do is fill up back to the dipstick level with the pipe completely level up right, and that's the oil change done basically. I'm not going to carry on with this video. All we do is put the oil in, fill it up, check the dipstick level. That's completely correct for that top level there. Okay, catch you soon.